Welcome back with a new math tutorial. This video we are talking about powers and exponents. What is the meaning of the power? What is the meaning of the exponent? Just so we will go one step back for the multiplication. Suppose that we have here 4 plus 4 plus 4. Once we repeat the same number in addition, we will convert the operation now to be multiplication. In this question we have 4 is repeated 3 times. So we can say 4 multiplied by 3. So now we have the same number is repeated in addition. Once you repeat the same number in addition, it will be converted to be multiplication. So the multiplication is repeated of addition. The same for the power. Suppose that we have here 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. Now we have 4 is repeated 3 times. So it will be 4 to the power 3. So the power or the exponent is repeated of multiplication. The number that we repeat is called the base. And how many times that we repeat, it's called the exponent. So again, one more time. Once we repeat the addition, it will be converted to be multiplication. But once we repeat the multiplication, it will be converted to be the exponent or the power. So the multiplication, how many times that we repeat the addition. And the exponent, how many times that we repeat the multiplication. The number which is repeated is called the base. And how many times that we repeat this number is called the power. In this question, we need to write each product using an exponent. Now we have 10 is repeated 2 times in multiplication, so we can write it as 10 raised to the power 2. In question number 2, we have 9 is repeated 4 times in multiplication, so it will be 9 raised to the power 4. 5 here is repeated 5 times in multiplication, so it will be 5 to the power 5. But 3 is repeated 6 times in multiplication, so it will be 3 to the power 6. The number that we repeated, we just write it without any change. And the power will be how many times that we repeat this number. In this problem, we need to make the opposite. We need to write each power as the product of the same number. Then we need to find the value. In question number 7, we have 10 raised to the power 4. 10 raised to the power 4, it means just we have 10 and we repeat it in multiplication 4 times. So it will be 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. Just we need to multiply them, so the answer now will be equals 10,000. 3 to the power 2. If we need to write it as a product of the factor, so it will be 3 multiplied by 3. To find the value now, just we multiply. 3 times 3 equals 9. In this problem, we need to write the prime factorization of each number using the exponent. As we explained before, factorization it means rewrite the number as a product of 2 or more factors. Prime factorization, it means we just need the prime factors of the numbers. So we have here 25. As we know that 25 is equals 5 times 5. 5 is a prime number, so we write inside the circle. So we can write 25 as 5 times 5. 5 times 5 in exponent form, it will be 5 raised to the power 2. In question number 12, we have the same. We have 56. We know that 56 is equals. We just need two numbers that once you multiply them, the answer will be equals to 56. You will find that the two numbers are 8 multiplied by 7. 8 is not a prime number, so just write here 8 is equals 4 times 2. 4 is not a prime number, so 4 is equals 2 times 2. Now we have 2 is a prime number, so also we just write 2 inside the circle. 7 now is a prime number, so just write inside the circle. So we can say that 56 is equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. We repeat 2 3 times, so it will be equals 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 7. In question number 13, we have 68. Just we write 68. We need two numbers. Once you multiply them, the answer will be equals 68. So it will be equals 2 times 34. 2 is a prime number, so we have 34. 34 is equals 2 multiplied by 17. Because 2 is a prime number, so just write it inside the circle. 17 also is a prime number, so just write inside the circle. So 68 is equals 2 times 2 times 17. So the answer now will be equals. We just repeat 2 times, so it will be 2 to the power 2 times 17. In question 14, we have 88. 88 is equals to 8 multiplied by 11. 11 is a prime number. And 8 is equals 4 multiplied by 2. 2 is a prime number. 4 is equals 2 times 2. So write inside the circle. So 88 now will be equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 11. We just write the number inside the circle. Now we have 2 is repeated 3 times, so it will be 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 11. And that's how can we write the prime factorization of a number as an exponent.